going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. Time for episode 3, season 2 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it. I miss Chinese Elvis. Oh, Asian Elvis. I don't know if you're Chinese or not. I miss Asian Elvis.
You're that boss, Mr. Draper.
Yeah, mommy.
I'm just watching.
Hey! Check it!
Don't need meds. Just need some time.
How much time?
I gotta get to the office.
You got no time.
I just sat down.
3 weeks.
Hey.
What is it?
No.
Shut up.
I had to get some air in my
Just
body.
leave. I know you give a fuck. We'll leave.
St. Luke's and Lodi. Cancer survivors.
Support group?
I gotta say, it's making a difference.
You going somewhere with this? You really think that I'm the type of gal to join some holy, poor me circle jerk?
Just a thought. You take care.
She's got the right idea. And I hope she does it. But I sincerely doubt it. Oh, shit!
Oh, shit.
Okay. Who's that? Not ours.
Jesus.
Shit.
Yeah, well, better things coming out of arrest than getting jammed back in it, huh?
All right.
Jesus! All these mob-type groups cannot help themselves from overreaching. So why don't you go get a real job, I suppose?
Homework?
Not knocking it, I'm just saying.
Here?
Just us carnivores.
This dialogue's terrible. Jesus.
If drugs landed in Charming, that's on me.
It's on Unser. And if Sam Crow is knocked off their iconic pedestal, then when you take over, the drugs go away.
Wow.
That allows you to flush out the permanent one.
Grab Fane and Kraft. Head over there, okay?
Look at business Nazi.
I gotta finish this shoot, host an anal rain dance, and prep a sorority swing.
Well, look at it this way. Bobby Handler and the admin freeze you up to do all the important shit. What's an anal rain dance?
Seriously. I want to know? Oh my God, I don't want to think about it. Never mind. I apologize.
Nah, relax, darling. We took care of that. Georgie ain't that stupid.
Georgie's psycho. What he did to Lila could do to me. Look, I want Jax protecting me.
Wow.
You know how easily I dry out under stress.
So just play along, calm her down. She's our biggest draw right now.
Yes, play along. Your girlfriend.
No.
It's club business. You got no reason to intervene.
What do you intervene? She's my friend. She needs to talk.
Oh, so when she wants to talk, you what? Drop everything?
Jesus Christ. What are you, 3?
Get back to the garage.
You stupid piece of shit!
Just gotta do it.
Jax!
If it wasn't on a rape, it'd be hilarious.
Ah! Don't you touch! Don't!
Jesus. Jesus.
You and Clay. Guys are worried.
I have nothing to worry about.
Convince me.
Just father-son shit, you know? We'll work it out. It's all good.
I'm ready.
I love Bobby.
No, over here. This ain't that Mexican shit, right?
I'm all about made in America.
Where's Darby cooking?
Charming. Water road. Out by the stream's shitty red house.
Well done. Yep.
Hates me.
That's not true.
I don't know.
What, like hit her?
Kick, scratch, whatever.
I'm not 18 years old anymore, Jenna. My catfighting days are behind me.
We'll see. My pee.
We're gonna transform him into. She gonna transform into Gemma? I'd be so here for that.
All right. Let the cops handle it. Only we don't tell Unsa. We tell hell.
He buries the intel.
Well played. You can feel the tension between everybody, though. It was still well played.
For me? Yeah. Fed him some intel on where Darby's cooker is. If he's in Zobel's pocket, he'll bury it. Keep an eye on him.
Okay, that's not the wrong move. That's not the wrong move. I thought he was gonna fuck it up.
I despise drugs. It's the last thing I would ever wish for Charming. But we both know your methods for extracting the Sons of Anarchy have failed. But the result will be the salvation of Charming. I'm on your side, David.
He's pretty good.
On your side.
Without being overly charismatic. I don't find him particularly engaging. But he knows the right talking points.
Hail. Yep.
That intel on the lab, that's bogus. There's nothing out there.
Wow. Wow.
Handle 2 sets of books. Twice the work, twice the risk.
Oh, jeez, what have you been up to, Luann?
I don't think I can do that.
Don't do nothing stupid.
But there's a prison clause.
Oh, Bobby. I guess I gotta be it.
Go.
Can we make sure it's it first?
Hold it. Hope's not using it.
What the fuck? Yeah, I hope he's lost his mind. I can't knock it. I get it. Jesus!
No, I gotta relieve Nita. You should go.
Jesus. It's depressing. I don't want to see this shit. Don't fucking jump.
Okay.
Everybody got at this in their bodies.
I'm guessing this has got to be Darby's crew, right? You got wind of anything?
No, nothing.
I mean, you can't say anything. I mean, fucking until you know what that's something to.
Nothing makes sense anymore.
Agreed. Oh, we want to fuck this blonde chick up.
This is a club.
Oh, shit.
Fuck up, Tar. I thought we were gonna fuck up that blonde. That's not what I thought. Look at that face you just gave. That was fantastic. That's one of my favorite faces of all time. Alright, that was episode 3 of season 2 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, a really good episode. Second things second, to see the evolution of these characters through, I don't remember if there was 10 or 13 episodes last season. We'll say 15, 14 or so episodes. Has been fantastic to watch. Or horrific, depending on the character you're talking about. But to see, just in this particular episode, Gemma, Hale, and Tara all behave rather differently than I would have been led to believe episode 4 of last season. It's kind of jarring. I'm very disappointed in Hale. But disappointed strong. Miffed. But fucking business Nazi knows how to sell something. Like I said, he's not particularly charismatic or engaging. Like sometimes you can watch somebody talk and you go, wow. Like Obama. Or even Trump. I know people don't like him. Hey. You can watch both of them and you just go, wow. I don't agree with anything you were saying, but I'm sold. This guy doesn't have any of that. It's very... Richard Nixon. This is, oh, Jesus. Ugh, what's time is bed. But what he's saying makes sense. If I was Hale. Essentially. If you want to get rid of the sons, nothing you've done work. What I'm saying will work, you should do it. Now, he's got another problem on his hands once Super Nazi finds out. He's been working with the Mayans and doing... It's a bad look. Obi's death wish. Death wish is... do you want to call it death wish? Or is it just a lack of concern for life and your lives of your kids? Either way, I'm here for it. I'm here for Obi just doing reckless shit. Because it worked out so far. I assume at some point it won't, but I'm okay with that. Gemma and Clay going at it made me very sad. I feel Gemma's pain. I hope she seems to be turning to the Bible. Whatever helps. I know people have done it. As they get older, they turn to religion. Listen, whatever helps suit you. I can't judge. Clay's gotta wonder what the fuck is up. That feels like he's getting closer and closer to putting it together. Tara, I don't want to say being groomed because a lot of this is on her own of her own volition. So, whatever. Becoming a younger version of Gemma. That smirk she gives then, that's a top flight look to me. That, like that's top flight. There's a few looks I remember off the top of my fucking head. There's Denzel crying in Glory. There is De Niro smoking scene in Goodfellas off the top of my fucking head. Scarlet Witch gives a fantastic, like, some full-blown smile right at the beginning of Age of Ultron when Tony Stark touched the thing that I'm in love with. And this one is right up there for me. I know those two movies, two TV don't go together at all. However, these things that stick out to me, like, oh wait a minute! And there's a scene in Daredevil season 2 where Elektra pulls her fucking banana up. I love them. That scene at the end of this episode. Here for it. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.